Delhi Public School, Mathura Road presents इत्र की नायाब दास्तां. This is Delhi's oldest perfume shop. It's located in the heart of Old Delhi for the last 206 years in the same spot. In the tiny lanes of Chandni Chowk, Gulab Singh Johrimal has been here since 1816, that when the Mughal Empire was still on under the king Akbar II, father of Bahadur Shah Zafar. They specialize in several fragrances and this shop is now under the 7th generation owner Mukul Gandhi. They specialize in several types of traditional perfumes such as rose, sandalwood, jasmine. Their signature perfume is Rue Gulab and the cost is Rs 36,000 for 10 ml. Their fragrances are made with authentic millennia old Indian Deg Bhakka distillation.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I came from DBS to take your interview. Sir, my first question is, who is the founder of your brand?
See, the founder of our shop is Lala Gulab Singh Ji along with his son Lala Johri Mandi. They were our forefathers, so they together started this firm by the name of Gulab Singh Johri Mandi in 1816 at this very place where you are sitting now. And the business throughout has been related to perfumes.
So my second question is, how did you get the idea and inspiration for this business?
I do not actually know. I have inherited from my forefathers. So how they got the idea is simply something, I think, a blessing from God in a way. So they got this idea and throughout we have been, it has been in the same family and the same place. So this is something unique for us. It is something which is quite sort of a legend and we are getting it from one generation to another.
These perfume oil or ether are a very important part of our perfume tradition in India. We ask them about their technique which makes them different from the rest of the lot. We took a tour of their shop and saw the connection between the bygone era of Mughals and the present modern touch. Flourished in the Mughal era, patronized by the Nawabs, persisting the old perfume tradition in India, they still have a loyal fan base today. Gulab Singh Johrimal is idly one of India's oldest living traditional heritage houses of fragrance that upholds the world's oldest perfumery tradition, a prodigy of true legacy that should continue for another 200 years.